How much is your friend? Oh, my bread. 50 naira. So you are imitating me, Abi? Why you go slap me? Why you go slap me? Why you slap me?
Wait, happen for this place. Why una they fight? You wait they happen for this place.
Please, thank you for watching that Funny Love Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and see you on Friday. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. And for those people that used to think somebody is meditating, no, somebody is imitating you. Please, he's not imitating you. Maybe that person is your brother. So please don't fight them. They are not imitating you. And you that has been meditating on somebody too, you that has been imitating somebody, stop it. It's not good. That is not your real life. Live your real lives. Live other people. Please stop imitating somebody. You too, stop fighting person thinking that person is imitating you. It's your brother. Always know that you have your fellow brother outside, your fellow sister outside. Akwebom people, I am coming. We are coming. So please, see you on Monday and also on Friday. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Should I talk again? Or I should go? Let me go so that I will not consume your MB. Bye bye. How many MB do you have? Bye bye.